Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes and leave. It's time to try defying gravity. Kiss me good, I'm defying gravity, and you can't pull me down. It's me. So if you can't find me to the western sky, has someone told me everyone deserves a chance to fly? And if I'm flying so low, at least I'm flying free. To those who drowned me, take a message back from me. Tell them how I'm defying gravity. I'm flying gravity, and soon I'll match the fairy now. And nobody in the world, no wizard that there is or was, is ever gonna bring me
創造花火新作花火コレクションバージョン第2幕をお送りしました。